1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. 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 Show me them muscles then. Show me them muscles, bro. Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, I can do like that.
Can you?
Yeah.
And then do some pull-ups.
See, push me up.
No, climb up. You just said you can climb up.
Look, just do branch.
Climb up and hold on to that branch. And then you can do some pull-ups.
But he pushed me up. Oh, I can use this way. Tusk.
You're meant to be exercising, folks, okay? The government says you have to exercise.
Exercising my hands.
Okay, good. Well, you need to be doing some pull-ups as well
Yeah.
to show the government that you're exercising, yeah? And you're not having a barbecue in the park, yeah?
What? How are we going to be having a barbecue when we don't have a grill? Yeah.
Come on then, bro. I want to see you do pull-ups.
Not this high.
Oh, you need to be hanging from that branch, maybe. I hope it doesn't break. Yeah, so when you're coming down, you can do 10 pull-ups, bro. Well, do as much as you can. You can do pull-ups. I've shown you how to do pull-ups. Well, do as much as you can, bro. You always do your best.
Yeah. AJ, get down. How do you do it?
You're getting down the wrong way.
It's
Down that
up.
side, maybe you need the grass.
I can't reach this very
Yeah,
much.
hold this. Let me help you. Come. We're gonna do pull-ups, yeah?
Vertical.
I'm not trying to kick you. I'm trying to give you a lift, fam. What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Ready? Look up, up. That's where you're gonna hang on to. Yeah? 1, 2, bend the knees, 16 jump. 1, 2, 3, up. Hold on. There. Wait, further. There. Wait. There.
So hard.
That's it. Go on then. Up. Up.
1,
That's it.
Actually scared.
Yes. Come on. Come on. Do it. I'm not doing the work for you. Yes. 5. Yes. Up. All the way up. All the way up. More.
7.
Up. Come on, dude.
8,
Come on.
9,
The queen's watching you, man.
10,
Come on. 2 more. 2 more.
11,
Yes.
12,
No, that ain't nothing.
8,
Come on.
there, happy now.
Neck hurts. Okay, so take a little break. And then we'll go again, yeah?
I'm gonna watch you
Huh?
the video. Watching for you for good shot. Come on. AJ! Go! AJ! Good shot. Tackle! Good tackle.
No!
Yeah, good tackle.
Alright, come. I'll chase it. That's fine. What's wrong with you, fam? You just said you were so hot you wanted to take your jumper off.
But now I'm cold.
Because you're sitting down, innit? You need to run around and exercise. I told you, the government says you're only allowed to come outside if you're going to exercise. cameraman, Aslan.
Are you some kind of bull? Just ride for the moon. What? What's that? Are you some kind of snake?